everybody. I have hooked up the battery temporarily. This is the original battery. This is going to be the new battery. I made a box for that. I think I've covered that in the past. So this one will eventually go in there, but I just wanted to run everything to this big one and see what happens. So this is the first key turning on. Some of the things aren't hooked up. I don't have any blinkers yet, so I don't have those hooked up. I have my starter solenoid, everything packed in there. Ignition is here. So here we're going to turn on and see if anything fries. All right, we got a green light for neutral. Let's see if it goes out. Yep, look at that. Look at that. I have the headlight turned on. I don't have it on, but this is the headlight switch. So, yep, we got low beam and high beam. And that's the original headlight. I'm changing the headlight out. So we have that. That's cool. Let's see if we have horn over here. Yep, we do. And blinkers, like I said, are not on, so I won't get any type of indication. And then we're going to turn it over. I just filled it up with oil, so that's a good thing. Yeah, look at that. And I feel some good air coming out of there, which is good because there's new piston rings in. But other than that, that's really awesome because nothing is cooking. Fuse is still good. Lights are still good. Let's see when I turn this over whether I get any tachometer response. No, I don't think it's enough, but I have a new tachometer wire. Hopefully that is engaged. I believe it. Oh, actually no. But watch this. I think this will turn. Yep. So the tachometer cable is turning. Good. That's good news. So next comes blinkers. I'll wire blinkers in. Not sure yet what I want to do. If I'm going to go standard bulb or LED. The LED ones are cool, but then I have to get a new flasher relay. But the LEDs are nicer because they're smaller. But I did find some from Cognito Motor, which are standard bulbs that would fit in, that are small, that would maybe come off the back here. Other than that, that is awesome that we have some power and nothing melted. So I'm on my way forward to possibly hooking up a gas can up here and making this thing run a little bit. But again, I got to put on exhaust. Finish exhaust, I got to change out the headlight. So as you can see in here, we have several things that aren't hooked up. Some of them aren't part of this motor. So I got this yellow and white that comes out of the front control, which does absolutely nothing. I think these controls were off another bike. I might trace it back to see what they're for, but this one doesn't do anything. And like I said, I got a new light bulb over here. This is for the new fixture. I just have to modify the ends because they're going to need to be female to plug in. Or, yeah, I'm just going to modify the ends and put new wires on. But this will be the new headlight. But other than that, I think we're kind of on the right track to get things rolling. So that's good news. All right.